Hedge there, fellow adventurers, ready to explore Denmark like a true Viking? Let's dive into the top 10 must-visit spots for solo travelers in this beautiful Scandinavian gem. We're talking hygge vibes, stunning landscapes, and maybe even some questionable Danish pastries. But hey, don't worry, even if the food's weird, at least the people are awesome. Or so I've heard. Either way, get ready to explore Denmark, bro. Alright, first up, Copenhagen. This city is a blend of old-world charm and modern-day cool. It's a place where history meets hipster vibes, and it does so effortlessly. This city's got it all: cool cafes, trendy shops, and enough bikes to make Amsterdam jealous. Seriously, the bike culture here is off the charts. You can rent a bike and explore the city like a local. The cafes are perfect for people watching, and the shops? Oh, they're a treasure trove of unique finds. You gotta check out the Little Mermaid statue, but be warned, it's way smaller than you think. Seriously, it's like, did someone shrink Ray the mermaid? But despite its size, it's a symbol of the city and a must-see. The story behind it is as enchanting as the statue itself. Next, hit up Nyhavn Harbor. It's like a postcard come to life, all colorful buildings and boats bobbing on the water. This is the perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a boat tour. The vibrant atmosphere here is infectious, and you'll find plenty of spots to sit and soak it all in. Perfect spot to grab a Carlsberg and pretend you're a sophisticated European. Don't forget to practice your scowl. The local beer culture is something to experience, and there's nothing like enjoying a cold one by the water. Oh, and if you're feeling adventurous, try a Danish hot dog. They're like regular hot dogs, but with more toppings. Because why not? These street food delights are a burst of flavor and a true taste of Copenhagen. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Next stop, Aarhus. This vibrant city is a hidden gem in Denmark, often overshadowed by its more famous sibling, Copenhagen. But trust me, Aarhus has its own unique charm and flair. This place is like Copenhagen's cooler little sibling. It's got a youthful energy that's palpable as you walk through its streets. You know, the one who's super into art and indie music. Everywhere you look, there's something creative happening, from street art to live performances. Check out the Eros Aarhus Art Museum. This place is a must-visit for any art lover. They've got this crazy rainbow panorama on the roof that'll blow your mind. It's like walking through a living piece of art with stunning views of the city. And don't miss the Old Town. This area is a beautifully preserved slice of history. It's like stepping back in time, but with better Wi-Fi. The cobblestone streets and historical buildings are a photographer's dream. Seriously, Denmark has amazing internet. You can sit in a cozy cafe, sip on some coffee, and get some work done without any hassle. I'm pretty sure they invented it. The connectivity here is top-notch, making it easy to stay connected with the world. Or maybe that was Sweden? Whatever, it's fast. Either way, Aarhus is a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern convenience. Odense, the birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen. Yeah, the fairy tale dude. They've got a whole museum dedicated to him, which sounds kinda boring, but trust me, it's actually pretty cool. And the city itself is super charming, with cobblestone streets and cute little houses. It's like walking through a fairy tale, except without the talking animals. Unless you count the pigeons, but they're more like feathered jerks than magical creatures. Get ready for some natural beauty, bro. Skagen is at the tippy top of Denmark, where the North Sea and the Baltic Sea meet. It's like a watery battleground, but instead of ships, it's just waves crashing into each other. Pretty epic, right? Roskilde is known for two things: Vikings and music festivals. First up, the Viking Ship Museum. They've got actual Viking ships, bro. How cool is that? You can practically smell the mead and hear the sounds of battle. And then there's the Roskilde Festival, one of the biggest music festivals in Europe. It's like Coachella, but with more black metal and less flower crowns. Time for some island hopping. Bornholm is this little island off the coast of Denmark, and it's basically paradise. Stunning landscapes, medieval ruins, and the best smoked herring you'll ever taste. Seriously, it's amazing. Aalborg is another city with a serious Viking past. Check out the Aalborg Historical Museum, where you can learn all about the city's badass history. And then there's the Utzon Center, designed by the same dude who did the Sydney Opera House. It's like super modern and futuristic, which is a weird contrast to all the Viking stuff, but hey, that's Denmark, man. They like to keep things interesting. Ribe is officially Denmark's oldest town, and it's like stepping back in time. Cobblestone streets, half-timbered houses, the whole 9 yards. Visit the Ribe Viking Center, where you can experience life as a Viking, minus the pillaging and plundering, probably. Helsingør is home to Kronborg Castle, which you might recognize from Shakespeare's Hamlet. Yeah, that Hamlet. Soak up the literary history and maybe try to find Hamlet's ghost. He's probably just chilling in the dungeon, contemplating the meaning of existence. Last but not least, the island of Man. This place is famous for its white chalk cliffs, Mons Klint. They're seriously impressive, like nature's own version of the White Cliffs of Dover. Hike along the cliffs, enjoy the views, and maybe even go for a swim in the Baltic Sea if you're feeling brave. It's cold, bro. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible spots in Denmark that every solo traveler should visit. From the iconic Little Mermaid statue in Copenhagen to the stunning cliffs of Mons Klint, Denmark is a treasure trove of breathtaking sights. So pack your bags, grab your Viking helmet, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Skål! Whether you're a history buff or an adrenaline junkie, Denmark has something to offer. But seriously, Denmark is an awesome country with something for everyone. Whether you're into history, art, music, or just want to soak in the vibrant culture, Denmark won't disappoint. Or if you're a foodie, you'll be in heaven with the delicious pastries and local delicacies. And maybe some questionable hot dogs. You'll have a blast. The street food scene is vibrant and full of surprises. Just don't forget to pack your sense of adventure. And maybe a phrase book. Navigating the streets and interacting with locals can be a fun challenge. Danish is a weird language, but that's part of the charm. Embrace the quirks, and you'll have stories to tell for years to come.